Good morning, everyone. Mike again with TekDMC. This morning we will be taking a closer look at tall cabinets. If you're anything like me, these cabinets are the ones that customers most want to customize. They're the ones that I have spent way too many engineering hours on, and sure you feel the same way. That is one of the leading reasons we created TekDMC's library, so that the customer, with the ease of a drop-down menu, can now do all of the customizing from the comfort of their computer or mobile device, and you won't have to do any of the re-engineering once it gets into cabinet vision. Thus, saving you time and money, and that's both of which we can never get enough of. So let's go ahead and dive in. Our tall cabinets have 7 different libraries and different types of functions, whether it be standard with one solid door covering the entire cabinet with a number of different rollouts and adjustable shelf features. Horizontal splits. We've created 3 different libraries on horizontal splits depending on what your customer wants. Whether they want that split equally divided in the height of the cabinet, whether they want the base door of that cabinet to match all the other base cabinets, or if they want the upper cabinet door to match all the other upper cabinets. And once again, we have a variety of adjustable shelves and rollouts within those cabinets. Drawered cabinets with doors above, whether you have 1 drawer all the way up to 5 drawer, and then with adjustable shelves above. And once again, in all of these cabinets, you still have the same features as far as picking the construction method, the toe type, the drawer front heights, all of the materials, drawer boxes, doors, drawer front styles, if you're doing applied doors, hardware, and reveals. So these are all still available options and attributes within all of our TekDMC cabinets. 45 and 90 corner cabinets. And once again, whether you have 1 door covering the entire height or if you have a split. Say with 90 cabinets. Blind corner. We have 4 different varieties of blind corners, whether it be blind left or blind right. And also you can see that if you build with an overlay panel or if you build with an inset panel. And then once again, heights of doors matching either split evenly or matching the base or matching the upper with a various amount of adjustable shelves. And lastly, this is the cabinet that I've modified the most in my 5 to 6 years now in the cabinet industry. Oven and microwave cabinets. And whether or not you build with rails, like this, or if you build with a double shelf, like this, where you have 1 solid shelf and then a nailer underneath. Now all of our oven cabinets have a double fixed shelf below the oven, so that way we're structurally sound with the weight of the oven. So on these tall and oven cabinets, obviously you still have all of the variables that you had, but you'll notice you'll have 1 other as well. It gives the customer the option to cut out the back of the cabinet so that way the plumbing and the gas are easily accessible. And they can toggle this on and off. Another note on this, you'll notice that the overall width of the cabinet isn't listed. This allows the customer to pick the oven opening, so that way the cabinet then is sized off of the oven opening so that there isn't any miscalculations on flange widths. So they can enter the oven opening width and the height, so that way the cabinet is curtailed specifically to the oven that they're ordering. And then once again, our fillers and end panels will all be dictated to the height of the cabinet that you have set up. So that's pretty much everything in the tall catalog. Once again, this is the Baines to most of our existences where customization comes in, but this now allows the customer to enter all of their customized values and takes all the engineering work out of the manufacturer's hands and allows them then to focus their attention on other parts of their business. So that's all the time we have today, but stay tuned for our next video where we dive deeper into the wall cabinets. And also, please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss all the exciting things to come. Thank you and have a great day.